Hello friends, myself Jadhav Suvarna from KK College Pimples. My subject is organic chemistry. Today I will explain rearrangement reaction. First of all, what do you mean by rearrangement reaction? The migration of an atom or a group from one position to another within the same molecule is known as molecular rearrangement. The rearrangement involves migration of an atom or group of atoms to an adjacent atom, that is one to shift, or in some cases migration is over longer distance. Then the general reaction of rearrangement reaction is MAB, one to shift, that gives MBA, where A is equal to migration origin, B is equal to migration terminus, and M is equal to migrating groups. There are some rearrangement. First is pinnacle rearrangement. The statement of pinnacle rearrangement is when vicinal diol is treated with catalytic amount of acid, it can rearrange to give aldehyde or ketone by migration of an alkyl or aryl group, which is called as pinnacle rearrangement. The pinnacle rearrangement reaction or one-to migration can be viewed as a special case of the Wagner-Merewin rearrangement. The simply pinnacle rearrangement is one-to diol. Diol means two OH group are present in adjacent carbon atom is called as a diol. This diol is treated with acid, that is H plus. It gives any strong acid, and the strong acid which easily donate the H plus ion, and then that gives ketone as a product. Then another example, 1,2 diol, which is also react with acid and that gives ketone as a product. Then mechanism of pinnacle rearrangement is 1,2 diol, which on react with acid. First of all, lone pair of oxygen which abstract the proton, then the formation of good leaving group H2O plus. Oxygen which has two valency, but in this structure there is a three valency, then which contains the positive charge. After removal of water molecule, then the formation of carbocation. Then 1,2 methyl shift to this carbocation. Lone pair which on shifted on carbon oxygen double bond is formed, and this positive charge on carbocation is neutralized, and the next step, positive charge on oxygen atom. After removal of H plus, then the formation of pinacolon or ketone as a product. Then another example, in the first step, one hydroxy group is protonated and thus converted into good leaving group. The elimination of water from the molecule proceed in such a way that the more stable carbocation intermediate is formed. Then next rearrangement is a Favorsky rearrangement. Statement of this rearrangement is alpha haloketone, that is a chloro, bromo or iodo, processing at least one alpha hydrogen when treated with a base like NaOH, NaOET or NaNH2 can undergoes a rearrangement reaction via a cyclopropanone intermediate to give a carboxylic acid or an ester or amide depending on the base used. This reaction is called the Favorsky rearrangement. For example, alpha haloketone. Alpha haloketone means carbonyl compound uh, which adjacent one halogen atom. Then R group is equal to alkyl aryl or hydrogen, and then X is equal to X means halogen. It also chlorine, fluorine, bromine and iodine which on react with alcohol. Then the formation of cyclopropanone intermediate. Cyclopropanone means three-membered ring containing carbonyl group. Then also addition of alcohol to the cyclopropanone intermediate, and then the formation of ester as a product. Then the mechanism of this reaction is, first of all, alpha haloketone which on react with OC2H5. Oxygen contains the negative charge. It is a base. This negative charge abstract the proton, alpha proton, then the formation of carbon ion. This negative charge abstract proton, then carbon hydrogen bond is a break and this negative charge is formed. Chlorine is a leaving group. It is easily removed from a substrate. A carbon ion attack on an alpha carbon atom and a substitution reaction takes place to give cyclopropanone. Then this carbon ion, this negative charge on a carbon atom which is on shifted on a alpha carbon, another alpha carbon which containing chlorine atom, and chlorine it is a good leaving group, it is easily removed from a substrate, and then the formation of cyclopropanone as a product or intermediate. Then after addition of enolate ion to the cyclopropanone, this enolate ion O minus which on attack on a carbonyl carbon, then carbon oxygen bond is a break and then the formation of negative charge on oxygen atom. Then in next step this negative charge which is shifted, then carbon oxygen double bond is formed, and also OC2H5 group which on migrate to the another carbon atom, and then in next step there is a formation of carbon ion. This negative charge abstract the proton in alcohol and then the formation of ester as a product in Favorsky rearrangement. Then the next rearrangement is Curtius rearrangement. First of all, statement of Curtius rearrangement. The Curtius rearrangement involves the thermal decomposition of an acyl azide to yield an isocyanate by loss of N2. Isocyanate on hydrolysis gives amine. The Curtius rearrangement can thus be applied to convert carboxylic acid into primary amine. First of all, acid which on react with ClCO2 then the formation of mixed anhydride after addition of NaN3 that gives acyl azide. After heating of acyl azide, then N2 is a good leaving group, it is a remove or loss, and then the formation of isocyanate. Then another reagent add acid thionyl chloride SOCl2. Then OH is converted into chlorine and then the formation of acid chloride. Then after addition of NaN2 or TMSN3 that gives acyl azide. Then after heating to acyl azide, N2 is a good leaving group, it is a remove, and then the formation of isocyanate. Then isocyanate, which on a react treated with water molecule, then CO2 is removed and then the formation of primary amine as a product. Then isocyanate, which on treated with primary amine, then the formation of urea derivatives. And also isocyanate, which on a treated with alcohol, then the formation of a carbamate as a product. This is a Curtius rearrangement.